Hi and welcome to this video, where we will be discussing the world of investments. Investing your money can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to understand the basics before jumping in. In this video, we'll cover the key concepts and help you get started on your investing journey. Section 1. What is investment? Investment is the act of allocating money, time, or effort with the expectation of generating a future financial return. It can come in many forms, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. The goal of investing is to grow your money over time and potentially earn a profit. Section 2. Why invest? There are several reasons to invest your money. The first and most obvious is to grow your wealth. By investing, you can potentially earn a higher return on your money than if you simply kept it in a savings account. Additionally, investing can also help to diversify your portfolio, spreading out your risk and potentially reducing the impact of market fluctuations. Section 3. Types of investments. There are many different types of investments available, each with their own unique characteristics and risks. Some of the most common types include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Stocks are ownership shares in a company, and when you buy a stock, you essentially become a part owner of that company. Bonds are essentially loans that you make to a company or government. When you buy a bond, you're lending money and receiving periodic interest payments in return. Mutual funds are professionally managed portfolios of stocks, bonds, and other investments. They can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and benefit from professional management. Real estate is another popular investment option, with the potential to generate rental income and appreciation over time. Section 4. How to invest. There are many different approaches to investing, and the best approach for you will depend on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Some common strategies include dollar cost averaging, where you invest a set amount of money on a regular basis, and value investing, where you seek out undervalued stocks with the potential for growth. It's also important to educate yourself on the basics of investing, including reading financial news and analysis, understanding financial statements, and seeking out professional advice if needed. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals, but it's important to understand the basics before jumping in. We hope this video has helped you understand the basics of investing and given you a starting point for your journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.